Alrighty guys, today we're doing something a little crazy. We're doing like a half a day of open water fishing and then a half a day of ice fishing just 10 miles away. So it's kind of crazy. So here we're at this beautiful lake. We're actually fishing for brook trout today. Gonna be casting. We'll give it a shot. And then we'll be at a local pond not 10 miles away, ice fishing with 5 to 6 inches of ice. So higher elevation pond, colder ice. So let's see what happens. Stay tuned. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna do some casting with spinners. We're probably gonna have to walk in the water a little bit. Got one, guys. He's a little guy. But what is it? It's a little brown, guys. If it ever stops messing around here. So I'll put my butt of my pole over here. Hey guys. Beautiful little brown trout. First fish of the day. You guys can see that. Beautiful little brown. Let's get him unhooked. There he is already. Little brown. I don't know. Beautiful fish. Let's let him go. There he goes. First fish of the day. Cool. Little brown. There's one. Yeah, pretty good one. Looks like a brown. Brown, yeah. Skinny one. Yeah. Whew. That's big. Yeah. Bigger than the last one, that's for sure. Yellow line and all. No, it's just mono, yellow mono. I had a leader on here before, but
oh yeah, I
don't think it's that cold. There we go. Little skinny guy. Hold him like a bass. Woo! Here he comes out towards you. He's going that way. He's way over here. You look like a bite. Woo.
I have another problem when I fish with new people.
Oh! Oh! He's on that side of the rock.
Get him?
Don't go over the top of it. Oh, it is a brookie, yeah.
Yeah, well, your rod bent's up there.
That's a big one too. Get over here, you bugger. Oh no, it's a brown, dude. No, it's a brookie. It's a big old brookie. Not a bad one. Pretty fish. Yeah, they definitely stocked it then.
Male or female?
Female.
They're bigger.
Pretty fish, man. Oh man. I wish it was a little shallower right here so I can get in the water with them, but I don't think I'm in danger of losing it, but whatever. If I do, I do. Yeah, that's a good one. It's just a meaty spot. There we go. Ah! I'll actually put them up here for a second just so I can. Yeah. Yeah, 18 and a half. But he's fat as heck. Yeah. All right. Pretty fish. Whew. Oh. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, you can definitely tell that was heavier fish. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, plenty of ice. Whew. Still dark over here. So anywhere in here, I don't care.